Hi developers, welcome to How to Fix. Today, we're focusing on this unique bug that might have trouble with. So let's dive right into today's bug. First, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. So here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now it's time to fix the code and check the result. And just like that, the code executes perfectly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. If this tutorial was beneficial to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming bug fixes. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone.